In this quick video, I will show you how to set limit order on Uniswap step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then log in using your chosen wallet, and I'm using MetaMask wallet. Then go to pools, click new position, and then select your pair. So for example, Matic Uni, and then select your fee tier. You can edit this, and I suggest you choose 0.3%. And then you can now set your price range or your limit order. And for example, I want to set the maximum price to 0.37 and the minimum price of 0.09. So once the market price crosses the maximum price, all your Matic token will be converted into Unitoken. And once the market price crosses the minimum price, all your Unitoken will be converted into Matic token. And that is how you set limit orders on Uniswap. Then once you have set your price range, you can just deposit your Unitoken and click here. So make sure that you leave enough Matic in your MetaMask wallet because you're going to use it for the gas fee. And if you have any questions about how to set limit order on Uniswap, leave a comment below.